How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial. The song is called Flightless Bird by Iron. I don't know, I forgot the thing. Leave me a comment in the section below if you know what the band is, but I forgot. I'm very sorry, I'm sick. Well, let's get started with the lesson. By the way, it's a finger picking song. And it's not difficult at all. I promise you, I guarantee you it's not difficult. It wasn't trouble for me. It shouldn't be a trouble for you if you guys are already experienced. And for beginners, still it's a simple song and it's a beautiful song. Let's get started. What you're gonna want to do is have a capo on the 3rd fret. I have a blue capo because blue is my favorite color. Well, anyways, blue capo. I'm gonna say blue capo on the 3rd fret now. Any capo on the 3rd fret, and the picking, you should get that little weird sound that sounds disgusting. Well, anyways, look, this is how the picking's gonna go. You're gonna get your thumb and your index finger, pluck the A string, pull on it, like if you were just playing with your thumb, and then use your index finger and hit the B string and the G string. As simple as that. Look. Alright. Now let's get started with the chords. What you want to do is get a C-shaped chord. Get the C. Well, yeah, get the C. And if you don't know what a C is, for you beginners, get your first finger, put it on the B string on the 1st fret. Get your middle finger, put it on the D string of the 2nd fret, and get your 3rd finger and place it on the A string of the 3rd fret. So there you go, you got a C shape. I had trouble with my C's when I was like beginning guitar. I was like, screw this, I can't do this anymore. Well, anyways, yeah, let's get started. So a C shape. So do it like I showed you the picking. That's a nice sound, right? Do not use the pick. I tried it. It's very difficult. But if you want to go ahead and try it, try it. Well, anyways, it's very easy. Doesn't it sound beautiful already? Alright, the 2nd chord. All you're going to do is just remove all of these. Leave your index, leave your 1st finger where it was, and put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. So you should get that. So you just go. So like that, right? Practice it. 1, 2, 3. Together. Alright, now for the 2nd chord. And so all you do is just get the C shape, take your 3rd finger, move your middle finger up, and that's all. So that's all. Look, you're just moving one up and removing the 3rd finger. There you go, and do the same thing. Oh yeah, almost forgot. I think I said this before, but maybe you guys forgot too. Well, what you do is you do A, D, A, D, A, D, A, D, A, D. Yeah, you go 1, 2, 1, 2. You go. So you do A, D, A, D, A, D, A, D. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. You do that for 4 times in the original song if you want to play along with it. I'll make a cover for it. Well, yeah, let's get started with this. Let's just. Alright, now follow along, like, because I forgot. I'm so stupid. Sorry. So you go A, B, fuck. A, D, And you're just gonna keep doing the same thing over and over for the whole entire song, except for the chorus. The chorus is simple. Well, yeah. Sorry. And now you go into an E. You know, you all recognize the E. And then you put your finger, and it gives it the other sound. So the E, and put your finger. This finger never moves. It does move, but it's gonna move, it's gonna stay here for now. And just move these over here. So get the E shape and move it up. There you go. And you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna do the same thing. So let's do this. Let's wrap up what we have for now. Remember, A, D, and then A, D, A, D, A, D, A, D. And then here comes the hard part. This was the part that I literally took a long time. I was trying to solve it. I was like, God damn it, I can't do this. But unfortunately, I did. So this is how it goes. That's why I said leave space. So what you're gonna do is take a bar chord. You all recognize this. All right, and put your finger all across. Leave your third finger on the G string on the 2nd fret, and then you're gonna move up your middle finger up 1. So your middle finger on the 1st fret of the B string, and then you lay across your, you don't lay it across, just put it like the tip, or you could either lay it across if you want. Well, it makes it easy for me to just put the tip. That's what she said. But okay, so you put your finger all across. You should get that. So again, leave your 3rd finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. Put your middle finger on the 1st fret of the B string, and then put your index finger on the 1st fret of the E string. And then lastly, you're gonna just play that. You're gonna instead of playing the A and D, you're gonna play A, D, but and then you're gonna every time look like this. I know it sounds difficult, but it isn't. Trust me, you'll get used to it. I got used to it in 1 day. I'm not bragging either. So let's practice all together now what we have. A, D, A, D, A, D, A, D, A, D, A, D, and then here comes the tricky part. E, D, A, D, and then this one is super easy. You just put your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the E string and just go. And then your middle finger, you do a hammer on. So you do da da da. So as soon as you do a hammer on, let go of it. You go. You do a hammer on and just bring it up quickly. But don't lose the rhythm of the song, because you're going to lose it right away once you do the hammer on. So and then you go. Okay, so far you got that. Let's practice. A, D, A, D, A, D, A, D, A, D, A, D, and then E, A, E, A, and then E, hammer on, it matches hammer on, and then you do this little switch that I like so much. You go, So that's gonna be 3rd fret of the E string. So you go 1, 2, 3. So that's gonna be E, E3. I'm just gonna make it shorter. E3 stands for E string on the 3rd fret, E3, and then A2, A string on the 2nd fret. So and then you just move one down. So and then you go back to this. And that's what I like to do. Another hammer on so I can make the song sound a little bit cooler. And you do that on the D string with your middle finger. And there you go. And there you go. Now for the chorus. The chorus is so simple. You get the C shape. Just strum like. Alright, and you go E. Remember E? And you do that bar chord and put your middle finger there. And you do a G, except without this finger. And remember the little change I taught you? And then you do the same thing. And then just go back. Now let's play it, the full song, what you have. Go back in the video if you still need more. If you need to practice more. Well, I'm going to play the full song for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Like it if you liked it. Thumbs up. Subscribe. Join the bronies. I really need your guys' help. Just for more subscribers. I have 100 and something video views in total. I don't know about right now. I haven't checked. Well, anyways, stay tuned for more gaming videos. A little heads up, tomorrow I'm going to start hopefully Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. It's a very old game, but it's my favorite. And yeah, leave a like, obviously. Leave a comment in the section below of what you want to learn, and I'll teach it to you. I know some of Blink-182. Well, I know 2 of those. Blink-182, I know What's My Age Again. I Miss You, and All the Small Things. In Green Day, I know a few. I know Wake Me Up When September Ends. Brain Stew, plus the Jaded part. I know. I forgot, but still, yeah. Yeah, and do what I just said if you want to. I'm not begging. I'm not telling you, oh, you better do it, or so I'm gonna fucking kill you. No. Well, anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later. I hope I get better. I'm a little sick. Sorry. I'm a little sick right now, and My head is all hot. Well, anyways, I'll see you later.